In this video, I show you how to fix keyboard DJ pair while typing problem. For fixing this problem, go to your phone settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps, scroll down, find out Gboard, tap on Gboard, tap on force stop OK, then tap on storage and cache, clear storage, then delete. Now go back. If you are using Samsung keyboard, follow this method to clear Samsung keyboard storage and go back. Now open your keyboard. Now I hope that this method fix some keyboard DJ pair while typing problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.